light up your night. P mama, come join the ride. With every review, she be by your side. P mama, oh yeah, she's a queen. P mama, in the biz, know what I mean. P mama.
Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. This is P Mama 100, and today I'm bringing to you cleaning the glue and residue off of your lace wig. Yes, there are tons of videos out there, but I just want to show my followers how one of the methods that I use. Now, there are a couple of ways to do it. Now, if you don't have lace wig cleaner, and I do, and I'm lazy, it's upstairs, but I'm downstairs. So what I'm going to use is a little Dawn. Yes, Dawn dish detergent. And no worries that you're putting Dawn on your wig. It's okay. You're putting it on the lace, and you can always condition your wig and shampoo it afterwards just to get, whatever the Dawn does to your mind that you think is going to harm your hair of your wig. It's not, but you can go ahead and wash and condition it afterwards. But there's another method, and it's an old school method, and I might have mentioned this on one of my other videos. I don't remember. But you could actually use the mirror slide method if you're using glues like Bold Hold, or even Bold Hold has this other liquid clear silicone, I think it is, type of glue. I have it. But you can use, even if you're using that kind of glue, you can literally slide that wig down your mirror and it will take all the glue straight off of the lace. Yes, it's an old school method back when lace wigs, when it really first became popular. I'm not going to show you that method because I've cleaned my mirrors and I do not have time to go back and clean them today. But we have other methods. So we're going to use the Dawn today, okay? And let's jump right on into this video. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to pass the tips along. Don't keep them to yourself, baby. I do this for the world. And how can I reach the world is if you share it. All right, come on. Okay, so I'm going to take, this is Dawn inside of this bottle. I'm going to carefully, and it doesn't matter if it's careful or not, but I think the glue that's on here is not my Pressed by Brandy, in which the wig I have on, I want to put this wig on today, but the wig I have on right now, I'm pulled up into this ponytail. It's been put on, it's been like a week now with the Pressed by Brandy. I think from the last time I did a video, but it's been put on since then, and it's still on there pretty tight. It's not coming off. Yeah, it's not coming off, so I'm dripping it all down. Like I said, I might get sloppy. So I'm just putting it on there. I'm going to let it sit for a minute, and then I'll just take it and start working it in with a little water. Okay, so like I was saying, that you may have remover, like I have the Pressed by Brandy remover, and I also have a Bold Hold remover. I've had this since I've had the Pressed by Brandy glue. And if you look at my old videos, you see how long it's been. I rarely even use that, honestly. I rarely even use alcohol to get it off. I'm looking, I don't know. Let me put on my gloves. You don't need gloves. This is just because I have fingernails on. And get you a nice little face cloth too, and I'll show you why in a minute. May need it or may not. Okay. I'm going to wet it here a little bit. Just going to work that in up to a nice little lather. And be careful, because you don't want to knot this up. You know, if you scrub up in here, you'll knot that up, and then your whole wig will be just messed up. You may only need to do this one time, one application, but we'll see. This wasn't too bad, so it should come off really good. So, yeah, I still got a little bit left, so I'm going to add a little more Dawn. I'm going to take the tip of this towel and put a little elbow grease to it. And the towel actually helps to roll up the glue so that it can just come right off. So you just got a little bit, but much better, right? Okay, there you have it, guys. Much, much better. And the rest, I'll just get off in the shampoo. Easy peasy. So, with shampoo in it, this is my bowl. I shampoo my hairs in. This is my bowl I shampoo my wigs in. And before I shampoo them, I comb them through. Because you want to get all the neck tangles off. So, when you combing your wig out, hold it from the bottom, hold it tightly, and work your way up. That way you're not ripping the strands out. It's already bad enough that hair just sheds. Give it a chance and hold it tight, and brush it through. So what I do is I plug before I plug it up, I use lukewarm water. This shampoo I'm using is a Cherry Blossom Heavenly Hydration Shampoo. I've put a little water in it because it was down to like the last little bit. And this is good enough for this wig. So pour some in there. Sometimes I'll do conditioner first. And I am going to put some on the lace. Sometimes I'll do conditioner first. And then let it sit and then go in with the shampoo and then do another conditioner afterwards. But I'm just going to do a shampoo. And remember, you can't scrub wigs because you'll mat them up. You have to take your fingers and drag that shampoo through. Get it on every strand just to get it clean. And do it a couple of times. If you've been wearing a wig for a while and it's really dirty, like this one isn't dirty, really totally dirty because I didn't use a lot of product in it. But if you do, just keep doing it till you get all of that product out of there. Go around it, drag your fingers through. Paying attention to your lace because you want that to be clean. You don't want your skin to be breaking out because you have a dirty lace laying across your skin there. Get that residue off. I'm lightly brushing because I don't want to scrub the knots loose. Then I put some conditioner on her. Okay, so now I take my conditioner. This is Aveda Invati Advanced Thickening Conditioner. It's just a conditioner. Use any conditioner you have. I don't care if it's from the dollar store. But I always keep stuff like this because I'm going to condition, put conditioner on it and olive oil, and I'm going to stick it inside of this bag and let it sit for, I don't know, maybe an hour. So I'm going to mix the conditioner. This stuff is so thick. Oh, that's a lot of conditioner. It's going to be conditioned. And some olive oil. Pour that on there. Mix it up. Pour it in there. Mix it up. Over the wig. It's dropping on the wig, not in the sink, guys. Yep. And so I'm just going to run that conditioner through the hair. And so when I put it in that plastic, didn't mean to get it on the lace, won't hurt it. When I put it in the plastic, it's going to be almost like a little hot oil treatment. I might even sit it outside. Since the sun is super high today, I might even sit it outside in the sun so the sun could really generate heat through this and get this conditioner and the oil through the strands. Carefully comb the top, and I mean carefully comb the top to get any tangles out from cleaning the lace. This is really too big for this, for me, for that front part, but it's okay. And I'm combing it through. And when you comb it through, when it's wet, do it carefully, because you can lose a lot of strands of hair when you're combing through it wet. I'm going to put it in this bag. Have to clean those gloves. And I'm going to sit her outside by the pool, on the lounger, actually. Get the air out of there. There we go. Sheets came in here. I kept it for this purpose. Okay, everybody, that's it for the video, and I am about out of here. So listen, I just wanted, this is not a styling video. I just wanted to show you how I clean my lace. I wash and condition it, and this is kind of a deep conditioning, hot oil treatment rolled into one for my wig. I hope you found value in this. Please pass this along. If you know anybody else that struggles with needing to keep their wigs together and they just don't have money to go pay somebody to do it, or you don't have money to go pay somebody to do it, or you do have money and you just don't have time and you need your wigs done right now. Listen, follow these steps. I promise you your wigs are going to come out beautiful. And clean your lace yourself. You know, it's not hard. Follow the steps. You can use Dawn. You can even use shampoo right there, you know, to clean it like that. I mean, there's tons of ways to get that stuff off of there. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, don't forget to like. Don't forget to pass this along. I'm going to see you in the next video.